why your employee are not motivated and why they are not performing. If your employee are not motivated, their productivity will be down. They will do things slowly. Their quality will be down. Customer will not be happy. Revenue will be down. Profit will be down, and cash flow will be down. Why employee are not performing? The way you do things, the way you place the employee, the way you implement KPI, also fairness is questionable. You need to look at your company goal. You need to look at your company direction. You need to align to the company profitability, not looking at JD. Because if you look at JD, you're focusing on tasks. Tasks may not able to drive your company performance. You need to focus on result. So that's why all your KPI, you need to align to your company goals. You do not have data to prove that the person perform or not perform, and you can only remember what happened yesterday. They just based on the boss judgment, then they decide the bonus for the employee, which is also very wrong. Because you know why? If you based on your judgment, your employee will think that you are not fair. Because KPI is giving direction to everyone or employee and telling your employee what they should do, so that they can help the department helping the company will be able to achieve the goal that you set eventually. That is what we call KPI. All the very successful company in this world, they have KPI. So even Alibaba, Jack Ma also believe in KPI. So it is very important for us to recognize the importance of KPI. If you have no KPI in your organization, meaning that you are not giving direction to your employees.
我觉得最重要是他们这个团队给我觉得是有感动到我，因为他们的 passion 跟 sincerity。这个是对我来讲非常重要，就是我们要有一个 partnership 的这种感觉。
Yeah, my team understand our company mission objective better. With Wilson guidance, we know how to set KPI. I tell you, it's very good, very practical. From June to July, the revenue we improved on the revenue. I guess customer response time, the average about 3 days to respond. It become 1.5 day. On time delivery also improved. On time delivery almost like 20% improvement.
No matter what. KPI to us is very important because we know if we committed to the KPI, it's a roadmap that to find vision.
Mr. Wilson and his team has helped us to set the KPI and even go the extra mile to effectively and actively monitoring the implementations are well in progress efficiently. Maybe love is now on our way zero to hero in the implementation of KPI. We are impressed with Sandfield's International's extraordinary commitment and supports. I would recommend Sandfield International for its user-friendly software and their passion in helping SME to boost productivity and increase profitability. Thank you.